Let's face it, technology keeps kids engaged and interested in learning. It is also something in which they would be considered experts in. If your cell phone or laptop isn't working, who is the first person you're going to call? It isn't your random neighbor, parent, or colleague. It is your child or grandchild. It seems that they know all the tricks of electronics today. It is impressive for teachers to include technology in their lessons. Not every lesson may use technical devices or some form of technology, which is fine. Some lessons should be set around a piece of technology, while others may not be needed to. A teacher may pick a technological tool to use in the lesson and then create the lesson to include the usage of the tool. One way to do this would be to choose a learning app online for students to play. Then choose a skill that needs to be covered. During the class period, the student will play the learning app on the device while learning the intended skills. Even if a school or teacher is limited, they can find ways to incorporate technology into a classroom. Many school libraries have sets of laptops or iPads for students to use during class. iPads are now less expensive than they were previously, and they can be purchased for a classroom. If a school does not have the finances for them, teachers can fundraise for a class set of iPads or laptops. Then students can play these games and activities on the learning apps on these devices. Besides the fun activities, assignments can be completed online and turned in using certain tools. These assignment programs allow students to turn in the assignments immediately after completing them. The disorganized students won't have to dig through their folders and backpacks for the crumbled assignments that need to be turned in immediately to the teacher. As an alternative, the student can type their assignment into the online program right away. These online programs sometimes grade the assignment right then, so the student can see exactly what they missed. With the help of modern technology, students can benefit from them by being excited to learn and having academic improvements. Technology should definitely be considered when a teacher is composing a lesson. Thank you for watching.